You know how in superhero movies there's always that one thing that gives our hero their power. It could be a suit, a magical amulet, or even a radioactive spider bite. Well, in the corporate world, we have something similar. It's not as flashy, of course, but it holds a power that's equally transformative. And that, my friends, is sensitivity training. Sounds like a yawn fest, right? But bear with me because it's anything but. You see, sensitivity training is the secret sauce to a harmonious, productive, and let's be honest, less lawsuit-prone workplace. Think of it like a suit of armor that guards your company against workplace conflicts, misunderstandings, and tensions that can arise from a diverse team. But unlike a suit of armor, it's not heavy or uncomfortable. In fact, it's more like an invisible shield, protecting your work environment and fostering respect, empathy, and understanding. Companies worldwide have realized the importance of sensitivity training. We're talking about big names from the USA, UK, Australia, Canada, European countries, Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, and G7 countries. Why? Well, because it works. Businesses with effective sensitivity training outperform their peers, and not by a tiny fraction, but by a whopping 28%. Picture this. A new hire just made a culturally insensitive remark, and there's an awkward silence. Sounds like a sticky situation, right? But with sensitivity training, it becomes a teachable moment. The team gathers to discuss, understand, and learn from the incident. No blame, no shame, just growth. Is this easy? Nope. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Sensitivity training is like your organization's chef. It knows the key ingredients: respect, empathy, understanding, and adapts them to your unique team. Be it a small startup or a multinational corporation, a tech firm or a creative agency, every workplace has its flavor, and sensitivity training knows just how to cater to it. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Does sensitivity training ever backfire? It can, but only if it's not done right. Like a meal, it can be satisfying or leave a bad taste, depending on how it's prepared. So always ensure your sensitivity training is well designed, thoughtful, and delivered with care. Still have questions? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In our next segment, we'll address the most frequently asked questions about sensitivity training. So stay tuned, because sensitivity training is more than just a corporate buzzword. It's the superhero our workplaces need. Remember, our differences don't weaken us, they enrich us. So let's celebrate them, understand them, and learn from them. After all, isn't that what being a hero is all about? Remember, this is a loose script and can be tweaked according to your specific needs. The tone is witty and conversational, but it maintains a professional undertone, focusing on the importance and benefits of sensitivity training in the workplace.